What if I told you that your home can look clean every single day, even on the mornings when you wake up exhausted, or after a long, chaotic week when you barely have the energy to do anything? I'm not talking about a perfectly spotless, magazine-ready house. Forget unrealistic expectations. I mean a home that's effortlessly presentable, a space that feels calm, organized, and inviting the moment you, or anyone else, walk in. Today, I'm revealing the hidden habits and clever strategies that people with always clean homes quietly practice. The little things that work behind the scenes to keep everything looking tidy, even when life gets messy. You'll discover how tiny actions, done consistently, can create a home that feels orderly, peaceful, and almost magically clean. Welcome back to the channel. If you're someone who loves stress-free homemaking tips, practical strategies, and solutions that actually work, not just theory, then you're in the right place. In today's video, we're diving deep into the daily actions and strategic setups that make your home look clean, polished, and organized without turning your life upside down. You don't need hours of scrubbing, a cleaning crew, or a Pinterest-perfect routine. All it takes is smart habits, consistent resets, and a few clever tricks. By the end of this video, you'll see how a few small adjustments can transform not just your space, but your peace of mind. Your home will finally feel like a sanctuary, calm, inviting, and effortlessly tidy. So let's get started and uncover the secrets that can turn your home into a place that always looks clean, no matter what your day looks like. 1. The 5-minute entrance rule. Your home's entrance is the first thing anyone sees. It's your first impression zone. Even if the bedrooms are messy and the laundry's piled high, a tidy entryway immediately makes the whole house feel organized. Keep it simple and functional. A shoe basket for kicks, a small mat for wiping feet, and a catch-all tray for keys, wallets, and loose change. Nothing else should clutter the space. Here's the magic. Spend just 5 minutes each evening resetting the area. Pick up shoes, fold any scarves, toss stray mail into a tray. That tiny routine instantly gives your home a polished, welcoming look. And the best part? It takes less time than scrolling through your phone feed. 2. Clear surfaces equals clean house. Your eyes are your brain's first judge of cleanliness. No one will peek into drawers to see if it's neat. They notice what's visible. Crowded countertops, cluttered coffee tables, and bathroom sinks stacked with products scream messy, even if everything else is spotless. The trick? Keep surfaces as empty as possible. Clear the kitchen counter after cooking. Place only 1 or 2 decorative items on the dining table, and leave your bathroom sink clear of bottles and brushes. Even if drawers are a hidden chaos, these visual resets create the illusion of a clean, organized home. Remember, cleanliness is perception as much as reality. 3. Master the visual hotspots. Every home has a few key spots that instantly make the whole house look messy if ignored. These are your visual hotspots. The couch, especially if blankets and pillows are strewn. The kitchen sink, piled with dishes or random utensils. The dining table, often a magnet for mail, keys, and snacks. The hallway floor, where shoes, bags, or toys accumulate. Focus on these first. Spending a few minutes straightening cushions, clearing the sink, and sweeping the hallway makes the rest of your home appear clean, even if other areas are untouched. Touching just 3 to 4 key spots daily tricks the eye and creates a sense of order effortlessly. 4. Establish the one-basket system. Instead of running back and forth to put things in their exact places, simplify with a single catch-all basket. Walk through your home once, gather everything that's out of place, and toss it into that basket. Toys, magazines, shoes, stray clothing, all in one container. You can sort and put them away later. This system keeps your home looking clean fast, reduces stress, and prevents burnout from overcleaning. Think of it as a tactical shortcut. You're controlling clutter without obsessing over perfection. 5. Hide, don't fight clutter. Not everything needs a storage solution that's Pinterest perfect. Sometimes, the simplest strategy is to hide what doesn't belong. Use decorative baskets for living room messes, closed shelves to tuck away books or miscellaneous items, ottomans with hidden storage, bedside drawers for small items that always appear out of place. You're not being lazy, you're being strategic. By hiding clutter, you immediately create the illusion of a clean, organized home without constant cleaning stress. 6. Do this soft clean at night. Forget full-scale scrubbing at the end of the day. That's exhausting and unnecessary. Instead, do a soft clean, a nightly micro reset that sets your home up for a fresh morning. This includes resetting the sofa, fluff pillows, and fold blankets neatly. Wiping counters, kitchen, and bathroom surfaces need just a quick wipe. Washing or soaking dishes prevents piles from forming overnight. Laying out clean towels in the bathroom or kitchen for an instant tidy look. These small, effortless habits work quietly in the background. The next morning, your home feels clean, fresh, and ready, even if you didn't spend an hour deep cleaning. 7. Keep one signature scent. Cleanliness isn't just about what you see, it's about what you smell. The human brain instantly associates a fresh, consistent scent with a clean, well-kept environment. That's why homes with a single signature scent feel calmer and more polished, even if there's a little hidden clutter. Pick one, a diffuser, a candle, or a room spray, and stick to it. Lavender, citrus, or fresh linen are popular choices because they feel clean without being overpowering. The key? Consistency. Each time you enter your home, your senses are greeted with a familiar, refreshing aroma. It's subtle, effortless, and instantly makes the space feel curated and welcoming. 8. Make the bed. It's non-negotiable. Never underestimate the transformative power of a made bed. Think of your bed as the anchor of your bedroom, the centerpiece that sets the tone for the entire room. Even if the rest of the space is slightly cluttered, a neatly made bed instantly creates a sense of order and calm. On the other hand, an unmade bed can make an otherwise tidy room feel chaotic, rushed, and unfinished. Here's the secret. Fluff your pillows, straighten the sheets, fold the blanket neatly. That's it. It takes less than 2 minutes, but the impact is huge. Your bedroom will look polished, inviting, and like someone actually cares about the space. Think of it as a tiny habit with massive visual payoff. Make the bed every morning, and you'll notice the entire room feels more intentional, clean, and organized, almost like magic. 9. Use the laundry containment method. Laundry is one of the fastest ways a home can feel messy. A pile of clothes on the floor or a chair makes even the most organized space look chaotic. The solution is simple. Choose one single laundry basket and give it a permanent home. No multiple hampers scattered around. No random piles on the sofa or in corners. Everything goes into that basket until it's ready to be washed. Then, stick to a simple, realistic routine. One designated laundry day a week, or one load a day if you prefer smaller, manageable bursts. This method is all about containment, keeping the visual clutter under control so your home always feels orderly. Think of your laundry basket as your secret weapon against visual mess. By containing the chaos, you maintain the perception of cleanliness, even when life gets busy and hectic. 10. Hide cords and visual noise. Even in a tidy room, tiny details can sabotage the look of cleanliness. Tangled phone chargers, scattered remotes, open product bottles, or cables behind the TV. All of these add visual clutter. The fix is simple. Use cord organizers, small baskets, or decorative containers to hide what doesn't need to be in sight. This creates a sense of calm and sophistication. The fewer distractions the eye notices, the cleaner your home appears instantly. 11. Keep floors light and clear. Floors are the stage for first impressions. A floor covered in shoes, toys, or laundry immediately communicates mess, even if everything else is spotless. The rule is simple. If it doesn't belong on the floor, it shouldn't stay there. Temporary solutions, like a basket for toys or clothes, are fine. The key is that the floor stays largely empty. Clear floors equals a sense of openness, calm, and order. 12. The 2-minute reset after every activity. Here's the final secret: micro resets. After eating, after your skincare routine, after using the living room, spend just 2 minutes putting things back in place. These tiny, consistent actions prevent clutter from building up. They may seem small, but over time, they compound into a home that always looks presentable, without any massive cleaning marathons. If you've made it this far, congratulations. You're already steps away from having a home that looks clean all the time, without living in a constant cycle of scrubbing and stress. It's not about perfection. It's about smart habits, visual calm, small, daily resets that make a big difference. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs a little home motivation today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.